Hello guys, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a minute since I posted, guys. How are you doing? How is life? Manze, mafuta imepanda, fare imepanda, everything is just kila kitu iko tu juu. So guys, on this content or in this video today, I wanna show you my workplace, my office tour, full office tour. Yes, wengi wametamani kujua mahali na work nini mambo kama hayo, but guys, today I'm gonna show you the whole of the office where I work, so that at least maswali yaishe, si sawa? So guys, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, share my videos. Guys, subscribe so that tufike 1k. We are almost there. Hata tujafika 500, but at least let's have a goal to achieve 500 and then we'll hit 1000 subscribers, guys. Subscribe, like, and share my videos. Yep, so guys, I'm gonna show you the overview of my office. So this is my office. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you the overview of my office. Just a minute. So guys, this is my office. Tunaanzia hapa, and then we go that way. That is my desk. That is where my patients sit. This is where I sit. That's my computer and the printer over there and the phone. And then I have a small kitchen here and a cabinet where we put our maybe files, any books that we use. And then we have a fridge from there. And then we have a small sink and a kitchen over there. So this is where I stay. This is my office. So guys, I'm gonna show you where my patients sit, maybe when they're still waiting for us. So this is our waiting bay. And this is where maybe we put our files. As you can see over there, it's a waiting bay, and we put our files over there like that. Yes. And then we also have where our chairs here. That is the overview of the outside, how the outside looks like. And then here, so at this point we have consultation room 1. It's a consultation room, that's one. And then we have another consultation room over there. Yes, and then from here we have washrooms, gents, and here is ladies. And then we have a small place of washing hands there, over there. And you have also a mirror where you can see yourself and check whether you are okay after coming out of the washroom. So guys, this is the overview of my whole office where I work right now, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share, comment. Yep. See ya. Bye.